Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to do this tutorial for using cookies within a VPS. Using DigitalOcean specifically in this tutorial, but you generally can use whatever VPS provider you want, but some of the steps will, of course, depend on your VPS provider. Alright, so starting off, you're going to want to sign into your account. I already have one, and you have to enter payment info, so just keep that in mind. Alright, so once you log in, you should be able to see this dashboard with first project and this stuff. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is go ahead and click create droplet. So droplets are like VPS servers. You can of course do these wherever you want, and it honestly doesn't matter at all. You may just want to do it closer to where you are, but of course, since Roblox servers are distributed, it means that it's not really going to matter, and some will be slower than others, but it just depends what region your users are in. So I'm going to be choosing Ubuntu 22.04 for this. The distribution doesn't really matter. There may be some stuff you have to change, but I'd recommend just going with this for this tutorial. And then you're going to want to go with the basic plan, regular SSD, $4 a month, if you want to get like the minimum stuff. And then password, you're going to want to create a root password. You also could use an SSH key, but I'd recommend just a password for this tutorial. So you're going to want to enter your password. Let me check what my password is. Alright, so once you make your password, what you're going to want to do is give it a name. I'm just going to give it Roblox VPS. And then click create droplet. Alright. So once you get your thing running, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to copy this IPv4 address. And now what you're going to want to do is go ahead and alright, so once you get your VPS running, you're going to want to do this and click command prompt. I'll drag it over here. What you're going to want to do then from here is type SSH root at your IP address for me, and then just press Control V. For me it was this, but it will vary depending on what you do. And some providers, you may not have it be root, it may be some other user, but generally it's going to be root. And then you're going to want to say yes. And then you're going to want to enter your password. Let's see if I got it correct. Oh, alright. Let me enter it again. Okay, there we go. So, once you're logged into the VPS, I'd recommend doing sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade. Which will just upgrade all the stuff on your server just in case it isn't upgraded already. Yes. This generally should be pretty fast. Okay. I'm gonna click this. Hopefully it doesn't break everything. That didn't break everything. Alright. Once your VPS finishes upgrading, you're ready to move on to the next step. So, This is pretty much the guide linked in the video. But what you're going to want to type in sudo ufw allow, and then you can type in anything from 1024 to 65,535, but you're going to have to remember this. So I'm just going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. It honestly doesn't matter what you do. And then after you do that, you're going to want to run exit and start the actual logging in part. Type in SSH-D 1234. This is just the port that you specified in the command in there. Your user at your domain. I'm going to grab my domain real quick. Copy. And then if you see this, and even if it's just like blank, as long as you don't see this again, you are good. And it means you're ready to move on to the next step. If you don't, I'd rewatch the tutorial, and you can comment if you need extra help, and I'll try to reach out to you. From here, what you're going to want to do is go ahead, search up Proxy Switcher Chrome. This will also be linked in the description if you need it. And then you're going to want to install it. I already have it, so I already have it installed. And then after you have it installed, what you're going to want to do is open up a new tab. You don't really need to, but I'm just doing this for ease. This will not be here. So you're going to be on System Proxy. I'd recommend just pinning. Oh, okay, I can't pin it. Well, anyways, see what you're going to want to do is go here, type in localhost, and then the port that you entered, 1234 in my case. And then make sure this is on SOCKS 5 and this thing is on. Otherwise, it probably will not work. But after you do that, you can go here. And you're going to want to go to what is my IP. Also, sometimes it will switch. It didn't in this case. And you should see your server's IP address. If you see your IP address, just check back on the tutorial. And again, comment if you need. Then from here, what you can do is once you know it's your server's IP, you can go to roblox.com/login. And then go ahead and log into your account. Alright, so once you get it all set up, you're going to want to go enter your password. You'll probably have to do a CAPTCHA. They're usually pretty easy, since generally people don't do this. And then once you're in, you're pretty much good from here, but what you're going to want to do, go ahead and go to Application, Cookies, Roblox, and make this bigger. I'll make this. And find Roblox Security. And then this is your Roblox token that you can use for whatever you need it for. Press enter, you copied it. Also, this may work on your PC, but I'd recommend logging into on your PC if you're going to test stuff on there so that these cookies don't get invalidated. But after you have that, you can go ahead and start using whatever libraries you need for Roblox. So yeah, thanks and have a good day. Bye.